Hi everyone, and welcome to the first step of your journey into full-stack web development with the MERN stack. Whether you're a beginner just starting out in web development or someone looking to level up with modern tools, this series is built for you. The web today is dynamic, interactive, and fast. And to keep up, you need a tech stack that can handle everything, from the user interface to the database. That's exactly what the MERN stack does. It's used by startups, Fortune 500 companies, and solo devs building side projects. The best part? You only need to learn one language, JavaScript, to build both the front end and the back end of modern web applications. In this course, you'll go from zero to full-stack MERN developer, building real-world apps step by step. So buckle up, this isn't just another tutorial series. It's a hands-on journey into one of the most in-demand stacks in the world. Now let's break down the 4 technologies that make up the MERN stack. MERN is an acronym. M, MongoDB. This is a NoSQL database that stores data in flexible, JSON-like documents instead of rigid tables. Think of it like storing your data as real JavaScript objects, easy to use and perfect for web apps. E, Express.js. This is a lightweight web framework for Node.js. It makes handling HTTP requests, setting up routes, and building apps super efficient. It's minimal, fast, and does exactly what you need for the back end. R, React.js. This is the front-end library developed by Facebook. With React, you build dynamic, component-based UIs that are fast and scalable. It's the gold standard for modern user interfaces. N, Node.js. This is a JavaScript runtime environment that runs on the server. With Node, you can use JavaScript outside the browser to build servers, handle requests, and run back-end logic. Together, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node form a powerful full-stack solution, all using JavaScript from end to end. So, why is the MERN stack such a game changer? Why are so many companies, from early-stage startups to tech giants, choosing it? First, it's JavaScript everywhere. One language across the entire stack, client, server, and database. This means faster development, easier debugging, and better collaboration between front-end and back-end teams. Second, the tools in MERN are battle-tested. React is used by Facebook, Instagram, Airbnb. Node powers Netflix, PayPal, and LinkedIn. MongoDB handles millions of records for companies like eBay and Adobe. Third, MERN is incredibly scalable and flexible. Want to build a blog? A social network? An e-commerce platform? MERN can do it all. And finally, it's developer-friendly. With massive community support, endless tutorials, and open-source libraries, you're never building alone. If you're serious about becoming a modern web developer, MERN is your fast lane to real-world skills and serious projects. Now let's talk about what you'll actually build and learn in this course. This isn't just theory, we're going hands-on, step-by-step, full stack. Here's the roadmap. Small diamond first, we'll build the front end using React, reusable components, props, hooks, and dynamic UI that responds to user actions. Small diamond then, we'll create the back end using Node and Express, writing clean, modular code to handle routing, logic, and apps. Small diamond after that, you'll learn to connect your back end to MongoDB, store data, and perform real-world CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete. Small diamond next, we'll wire the front end and back end together, so your UI talks directly to your server and database, like a real app. Small diamond finally, you'll learn how to deploy your MERN application, taking it from localhost to live on the internet. By the end, you won't just understand MERN, you'll have built a real, working full-stack app you can showcase anywhere. Before we write a single line of code, let's set up your developer toolkit, the essential tools you'll use throughout this MERN journey. Wrench first, you'll need VS Code, a powerful, lightweight code editor. It's where we'll write all of our front-end, back-end, and config code. Cyclone next is Node.js. This lets you run JavaScript on your machine, outside the browser. It also gives us NPM, the package manager we'll use to install libraries like Express and React. Globe, then we'll set up MongoDB Atlas, a free cloud-based NoSQL database where we'll store user data, content, and app info. Postbox, for testing our backend APIs, we'll use Postman. It helps you send HTTP requests and instantly see responses, without needing to build the front end first. File folder, and finally, we'll use Git and GitHub for version control, to track changes, collaborate, and deploy our code like professionals. Don't worry if any of this is new. I'll walk you through installing and setting everything up in the next videos.